The main purpose of the dead layer is to make halftones of the painted objects. We use the monochromatic gray underpainting as a preparatory stage for the subsequent application of color layers and glazes. The key function of this underpainting can be found mainly in the halftone areas, in the place of light to shadow. In the history of oil painting, we can find different ways of applying this underpainting. If we look at Rubens' work, we can see that he used shades of gray and white, mainly in light areas. All other areas in the shadow are left in the earthy color, raw or burnt umber, of the previous underpainting. Values. For our needs, it is enough to mix 4 to 5 shades of gray. If you mix the prepared gray colors further with each other, additional values will be created, which will sufficiently cover the entire value range. The color for the dead layer is because I only work in the illuminated parts of the model. In this case, I only used 2 gray mixtures. Value number 3 from our gray scale, for directly lit planes, and at the point of halftone. Where the model plane deviates from the light source, I added a small amount of sepia, darkening the value slightly, to about 5. The dead layer is applied as follows. The value of the gray underpainting should be half a ton lighter than the previous underpainting. If you look at the black and white version of the painting, you may notice that this slight value difference is visible.